Hello friends, Shushmita here, and now I have Java ternary operator to explain. Java ternary operator is used as one line replacement for if then else statement, and it is the only conditional operator which takes three operands. Here a small code to explain or demonstrate. Public class operator example: public static void main string args block open int a equals to 2, int b equals to 5, int mean equals to a is less than b within bracket question mark a colon b semicolon. System.out.println mean block close. Output will be 2 because the condition is true.